Just trying to find Tokyo.
Many an American had that problem in 1944 and 1945.
Very droll, sir, very droll.
Beat up of Narita. You may find that your diplomatic status with Japan is about to get severely altered here. You know, you're about to become persona very non grata.
See, the controller's having a turkey sandwich today for lunch.
Quick sushi roll.
Beautifully flown, sir.
Right. And you're probably just about be able to lose the speed by the time you get downwind. Alright, start to... Yeah, this is the one you're landing on, coming this way.